Okay, hello. We are in module 11, winterizing and prep for next spring. First and foremost, can I just give you a virtual hug? You have made it this far. Congratulations. You're almost at the finish line, and I cannot wait for you to get contracts. I want to hear from you. I am so proud of you. Let's get into this. So, you have done everything. You've hit mid-season, and now you're actually at the end of the season. What do you do? So these are the 3 things to do. Number 1, take care of your clients. Number 2, take care of your equipment. Number 3, next season. So number 1, clients. I like to message however they want to be communicated to my clients 2 weeks before the last cut of the season. And I will text them, hey, first name, can you believe it? It's the end of the season. I'll swing by the last cut of the season. And if that's okay, I'm going to cut it pretty short to better prepare for fall and winter. Thank you so much for hiring us and maintaining your lawn. There's a small gift on your doorstep. Okay, and I just want to show you a quick video of what I do. This is a real example. This is what I do. Hello, we are at the end of the season. As you can kind of tell, it's fall. The leaves are falling all onto the street, the sidewalk, and this is the last cut of the season. So I got my little gift bag here. Look inside. It's a soup mix since we're getting ready for fall, and I'm just gonna place it right here. See it right there on my client's doorstep, and I'll text them saying that, hey, I left a little gift package for you. Thanks for letting us, my family, letting us service your lawn and hiring us for the whole season. Just a way to say thanks. So this is what I normally do for the last cut of the season for all our clients, is to say a word of thanks, give them a little gift, and that'll be a really good reminder for next spring, when it's the new season again. It's a reminder for them to keep us in mind and hopefully hire us again. So the last tip, last cut of the season, you're almost done. Give a little token of gratitude. It goes a long way, and it really helps beautify the entire experience and making sure that they value you as a person to service their lawn. So I hope you think of a little cute gift for your clients as well. And it builds trust, makes them really considerate, especially when you call them for next season, which I'll get to you that too. If you can, and you should, also text them, can I get a little testimonial from you, being that, you have done a good job mowing their lawn. So one thing I learned from getting a quick testimonial is, for sure, ask them first. Ask them if they can use your their first name and the first letter of their last name. Okay, and don't just say, hey, what's your testimonial? Can you give us a testimonial? But say, what problems did the client have? How did we or I help, and would you recommend those service? So that when they write your testimonial, it's kind of guided in this little paragraph format. It's much more, nice to read a testimonial that's more in depth, rather than just saying, oh, Linda and her sons did a good job. So that's too bland. Rather saying, me, Jane Smith, I had no time to mow my lawn. I sought out Linda and her sons to mow the lawn. They did a great job, and I would totally recommend them. So see, it covers those 3 things, so that if someone else reads those testimonials, it'll provide a deeper picture of what we did. So these testimonials are good as gold. Okay, they show proof that you do what you do. Let's take care of the equipment. Okay, so the 3 big equipment are your trimmer. I'm going to start with the easier ones: the trimmer, the blower, and the mower. So the trimmer, store the batteries away if it's battery powered. If it's extra fuel, pour out any extra fuels. I really just recommend you watching a YouTube that's specific to your manufacturer trimmer. The blower is the same. If it's battery powered, store them away. And also prepare to defuel if it's a gasoline style blower. And again, watch a good YouTube for your particular type of blower. And now for the mower, the biggest one is, yeah, you have to defuel, get rid of any extra gas. I like to blow it really clear of any old grass, any dirt debris from under the deck, making sure that it's put away nicely. Okay. And now the fun part, you have money now. You have money from all your hard work, and you are allowed to do whatever you want with it, and but have fun with it, and also try to invest in some. I love personal finance, so that's another side thing. But anyways, you earn it. Do whatever you want. I'm really proud of you. Now, going forward, we're not done yet, okay? We're not done yet. So winter has arrived. We got a Christmas, and everybody's in Christmas mode now. So we're at the 365 day. Okay, I'm going with you one entire year. Now, spring is about to come. You have to prepare your equipment, okay? So now, two things to cover: preparing your equipment and preparing for marketing. Now, for the equipment, there's two ways to do this. You could take it to a shop that does tune-ups for your lawnmower, or you could do it yourself. Okay, so if you take it to the shop, they will do these things. They should normally do these things: sharpen the blades, replace the air filter, replace the spark plugs, and have an oil change. Okay, those things will get your lawnmower primed and ready for the whole summer. I myself have gotten to the point where I can do these things myself, except for sharpening the blades. I will take it to that place and they sharpen it for, the last time I did it, it was for $8. And I got a DIY kit from Home Depot for $20. Okay. If you do it, take it to a place, it's generally about $99 that they will do all those things for you. And they will call you if there are more repairs, like the engine or the carburetor, and you can decide to proceed or not. And you might see just a little cute video of my daughter and I actually doing a tune-up on our lawnmower. It's quite fun. Okay, so now marketing. How to prepare for marketing again? Okay, so now again, we're back to the 365 day. It's getting ready to mow again, and it's really simple. You already have all your clients' information on your spreadsheet, and you text them. Say, "Hey, first name, can you believe it? Spring is here. I would love to get an early start on your lawn and connect with you. Our prices are still the same, or if you want to change it up, you can change it, and we can get started in 2 weeks. Cash, check, or PayPal is fine. When is a good day to come? And I hope you've had a good winter too." So it is the biggest pro tip. You must contact your client, not the other way around. I have found out that they will actually kind of forget about you if you don't contact first. They probably thought that you moved on, you don't provide service anymore. So trust me, you are the one that must reach out. That is just how the way it goes. Respect the rhythm in this, okay? And then you can, from then on, continue with your buckets. Remember, back in marketing, You can go back to other buckets. If you might have had other more referrals, at least 1 or 2 more lawns, and off you go. That is it. We have done it. We've gone an entire year, 365 days from spring to spring. I am so proud of you. You have taken the leap of faith, done the course, read the PDFs, watched all those videos, and connected with me. And I'm so proud of you. Now you must take one step, that's right, one literal feet in front of the other, and that is when magic happens. And I'm here to grab your hand if it's hard to get those feet moving, but I promise you, within your hands, within your feet, you can do this. I have done it. And if I can do it, I'm telling you, you can do this. You can have an easy, profitable summer lawn mowing business. I'm here for you. And the best thing is, no one can ever take this away from you. You have knowledge now that can turn to power from within your hands. You can pass it on to your next generation. This value is priceless. Now you can earn your summer. You can own your summer. So best of luck to you. But honestly, you don't even need any luck because you are with Lawn Up. So go get them.